Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So today's video is going to be a more of an update video, because if you would monitor this price movement in a weekly time frame using this rounding top, because on my yesterday video when the price of Bitcoin was hovering around this 30,000 support line, we said, hey, if this support of 30,000 is going to get broken, then the next potential target according to this rounding top is lying around 24,000 area for Bitcoin. So that's why we said, hey, at any cost we have to remain above this 30,000 area, because in a weekly time frame this 30,000 was one very strong support, but also here in a daily time frame breaking this 30,000 is going to trigger this distribution phase one wake up, because right now this 30,000 here to the downside, as you can see very clearly, is the final support what I see right now for Bitcoin. If the trend here wants to see any sort of a potential upward price movement, because now this is going to be indicating, hey, breaking the 30,000 is going to trigger a new phase, which is going to be a reversal scenario. And according to this in a weekly time frame, we are already aware that 24,000 here could be the downward price target if the 30,000 support is going to break out, but also this distribution scenario from Wyckoff is going to play out. But we were aware the price structure what we are witnessing here was forming this very nice broadening bottom scenario, because according to this broadening bottom, you can see yesterday when the price was testing this 30,000 support line, we carefully monitored the price movement, because we were aware at any cost this lower line here should not be broken. And yesterday when the price came to test this support line, the buyer stepped in, and now is it going to show some potential upward price movement for Bitcoin? Before I show you that, guys, I also want to talk about one scenario that I shared on my Twitter account yesterday. And also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. If you are still unaware of my Twitter account, it's Crypto Anup. Feel free to follow me there, guys, because yesterday you can see I shared this analysis. Fib 0.618 rejection has always been a key factor when it comes to trend reversal for Bitcoin, because as shown in the picture from 2013 to 2021, Bitcoin always, right, in a trend reversal type of scenario got a rejection here from the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then a bearish scenario started for Bitcoin. For example, if you look at this 2013 chart, you can see this impulsive move, a correction, right, this 0.1, 0.2 correction, and this really fairly got a rejection from exactly around this 0.618 Fibonacci level, and then you can see started a new trend reversal here to the downside. And if you look at this again from this top of 2017, a markup phase, correction 0.1, 0.2, and this really fairly again got a rejection from this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then a new bearish trend started. And if you look here in 2019, guys, you can see a really nice markup phase, price pullback, a relief rally, and this relief rally came across this 0.618 but was unable to find support above it, and that triggered new markdown phase for Bitcoin. And now guys, this here is 2021, right? And if you monitor the price movement again, just like you 1 2 3, this 0.2 till this 0.3 or relief rally, right, you can see also got a rejection exactly at this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's why this price pullback what we are witnessing is pretty similar to this one here from 2019, 2017, and also here from 2013. So that's why we have to be very careful, because if this is going to be a pretty similar scenario, then I am actually expecting more of a range bound market playing out for Bitcoin for at least 2 or 3 more months. So let's see how this one is going to play out for Bitcoin. That's why guys, think long term. If you are here for the short term, then be careful, because the market is very volatile. For the longer term, if you're just buying and holding, that is one strategy what I would also suggest you to do right now. Just buy and hodl, guys. That's one of the most important strategy that I know so far has worked for me. Now let's talk about this in a short time frame, because according to this broadening bottom, we did form the strong support around this 30,000, and now could we be actually seeing some sort of impulsive mood playing out for Bitcoin? Because here if the impulsive move wants to play out, then at any cost we have to break out of this upper line area of this descending channel, because you can see this upper line is rejecting the price again and again. But now, since the price of Bitcoin is approaching again the upper line area of the descending channel, this is showing us that, hey, if this line is going to get broken, then we might be seeing some really nice impulsive move playing out for Bitcoin in a short time period. Because this here, let me switch this into 4-hour time frame so that I can show you properly here. You can see this descending channel. If you would monitor this price structure here, this is also forming a very nice double bottom type of scenario, because according to this price movement, you can see, right, this is a very nice double bottom type of scenario. So if we could break out of this upper line, we have the descending broadening wedge, and also break out of this neckline area, and this neckline is sitting around, you can see, 35,000 area. So that's why at any cost, what we want the price of Bitcoin right now is to break out of this 35,000 neckline area. So if this neckline is going to get broken, and also the upper line area of the descending broadening wedge right here, then there is a very, very likely scenario the price of Bitcoin is going to see some really nice impulsive move here to the upside. And if that is going to continue, right, the price target here from the neckline till the bottom is going to be somewhere around 39,000 area. So let's see if this scenario is going to play out or not, because any sort of a rejection, we are aware the price here is not allowed to break below this 30,000 area, because if we break below this 30,000, then a lot of bearish scenario is going to be triggered. So that's why, guys, that's why please do not over leverage and use proper risk management, because right now the market is more in a range bound market and also volatile. So please be careful out there. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this and signing out, my name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.